It's me, boys, Andy, and here is my first meal. And really old fridge. There's all kinds of things in here already. I've been walking back and forth from my car to get many. Oh, I'm cooking lamb and a little bit of this beef. It was like pretty fresh still. It smelled great. I've got loads of seasoning. This is my seasoning tonight. I'm using this as my salt. I don't know why. It's just all I have. It has a little sodium also. And so I want to cook this until it's ready. It's all the way full. It needs to take 22 minutes. Exactly what I figured. Like 22 minutes. It's no big deal if you go 23 minutes. It's fine. Just I've found out when it's all filled up like that, that's all you need to have enough time. Then you won't need to rely as much on these preserved cans of things anymore. Although I really I appreciate having some tomato. I like Del Monte fruit cocktail, and I like tomato. I like tomato juice a lot. Matter of fact, yeah. Yeah, so I heard that the ceiling here is full of asbestos. Just as long as you don't paint it or touch it, then you're good. But what's with the? It's like a smoke alarm here. I've got nothing burning up as steamy though, but like I've cooked with different method before. Like I remember once in one time I went to the hotel and I was trying and then the alarm just went off just because I was making a cup of coffee. Actually, I don't know how that would trigger the sensor. Or it doesn't make any sense to me.